Why this kind of thing now? Can I use your restroom?
Restroom?
Yes.
You want to rest? I have mattress. You can rest.
Uncle, your toilet.
Toilet?
Yes.
You want shit?
Please now.
Come now, come. Hey. Wait, not here. Wait now, wait. Now, so you hungry, you? Now come, sister. Enter here. You are toilet. Just enter.
Hey. Oh yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Jesus!
Uncle,
Mm-hmm.
you are a lifesaver.
Will you keep quiet?
Thank you very much. Anyway, I tried to flush,
Is it?
several times.
Eh?
It did not go. So please help me to flush. Thank
The
you.
shit did it.
Thank you.
The shit did it.
Uncle, you are a life changer.
The shit did it.
Hey. Thank you.
Apostle, we hear of this.